Jose, yeah.
No. Did you see
What are you doing?
Cheers.
Walking over there.
The bros. Hello vlog. We just went on this walking tour that Ari arranged because Ari arranged everything.
Workers of the Portuguese National Guard. Now, just a few words about the Portuguese National Guard. And I'm down here, okay? The highway has 120 kilometers, but I believe the wave don't use a car and don't do the curve.
This is
Wait, what?
Swedish summer.
It wasn't sunny to you in Barcelona?
A little bit, not too much.
But maybe I'm wrong.
You wanna picture YouTube?
But
Big planner.
how would you rate the tour, Ariel?
I had a great time. Saw the local.
It was literally
local
amazing.
stuff.
Literally amazing.
I have 9,000 something steps already today.
How would you rate the tour? Oh, you closed it.
No, I didn't close it. I would rate the tour. I would give it a solid out of 10. 8.5.
Are you joking me? If you don't say 10
no,
out of 10
I
right
would
now.
give it a 10. I just feel like I need to reserve the 10, but like it was like a 10.
It was literally a 10.
Because if you
You
give
didn't like
everything a
Jose?
10
Jose was amazing.
Jose.
Jose, yeah.
No.
Jose was funny. He was charming. He knew so much.
We have to find Grants. Guys, look back and wave. What are we doing?
Boat ride.
Granty, how excited are you for this boat ride? Tell the fans.
I know.
Okay. How excited are you for the boat ride?
8.5 out of 10, I'd say.
I'm very excited. It's gonna be fine. It doesn't matter that it's a little bit rough.
Stop it. We're going on a sunset boat ride.
We need an orange for you.
Sunset roller coaster.
I'm excited for Venice. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, are we getting a picture?
Ready to get ready. Let's get ready. Why is that like school was happening before?
We are on reading week.
We're reading. We are
on strike. We are on strike break.
We are abroad in our summer.
Excuse me. Don't let us kill your vibe. No, keep the dance thing going. Show us your aux. Show us your phone. Your aux? You good?
I'm very good right now. Like I'm playing.
Today was a really tough.
Oh, this
Wait.
is an amazing song.
Wait, rank your day so far out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Ari, your day out of 10.
We literally had Jose, the best
Okay.
tour guide of all time. What? Okay, well.
Rank out of 10.
9.7.
Rank out of 10. Rank out of 10.
100.
Oh, rank out of 10.
9.5.
What would you need to finish that 0.5? Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait, but it's so far. You can't count dinner yet. I would give this stay a 8.95999, almost a 9. Literally, the only reason it's not is because I was worried about Anastasia. So maybe a 9.2. And what did you get?
Steak with potatoes and spinach.
Anastasia, what did you get?
Crystal, what did you get?
With on-bread potatoes.
Ari, what did you get?
The steak as well as Granty.
I got this number, which is really good.
The tuna. I also got the octopus. What did you get?
Chicken. Is rice made of wheatgrass?
Okay, relax. Everybody relax.
It's the way.
Are you so happy, Arjun? Good morning, vlog. It's Monday morning. Everyone's so excited. Everybody woke up on time today.
Yay! Good job, everyone.
I feel like if the table were reversed, you would be salty.
Ari did not wake up on time.
When have I ever?
But that's okay, because we're going to Sintra today. Christopher! Christopher! What are you most excited for today? Oh, no paparazzi.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
No, but like.
Oh. Did you see
What are you doing?
There were sparks in the door from the construction.
I don't know, just hanging out with Crystal. Because Crystal
is our mate. Okay, do goodbye.
And she's down to go. Down here is like
Hello vlog. We made it to Sintra, right Arjun?
We made it to Sintra, and I'm looking like a snack today.
You are. All for the hinge. All for the hinge.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Well, it's upside down, so it should be fine.
That's the vibe.
Does he need assistance with that conversation?
I'm not saying.
I feel like it just
Believer.
This is so funny.
Look at that.
Let's see, let's see.
Swiping.
The effort put into this.
Swiping around.
There you go.
You're not doing the weird.
Did we get it?
Yes, we did.
Let me see. Anastasia. Lots of tourists. It's going good. It's going good. It's going good. Little selfie moment. The view.
It's so pretty.
So pretty. From the chandelier, I can the fun. Yes.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel far.
1, 2, 3. The purpose. Okay, tour guide Ariel, where are we going?
We're at the Castle of the Moors, built in the 8th century.
Okay.
And what a view!
What a view! It's so good right here. I'm out here at this castle, and I'm living a good life.
We are.
Blessed.
Nothing
So
less than the best. Wanderlust.
Blessed and highly favored. We were there. Now we're here.
We walked all the way down.
All the way down.
All the way down.
All the way
And then
down.
around.
And then around.
Up.
And then up.
Up there. And up here.
And then up here.
And there's nowhere to go but
Lisboa. Let's go.
Beautiful.
Wait, say it, say it, say it.
Oh yeah.
What?
Say it.
What?
No.
Nope. Let's
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
go.
For the viewers, can we please hear your American accent?
Oh, but it depends. Like which part of the U.S. do you want?
California.
Like a basic LA girl?
Like whatever you want.
I don't have.
Let's hear it.
Okay, I'm gonna be Crystal right now.
Okay.
Hey guys, hey vlog. Today we're gonna go for some bottomless mimosas.
Your accent's
And-
terrible. You're just
and then-
impersonating me.
Yeah, well that's what you are because
Do
you're a
Lizette. Do
California
Lizette.
girl.
Do Lizette.
This is also Lizette.
Do Lizette.
This is also Lizette.
Do Grant.
I can't do. I'm not a good impressionist. Like I can't do this.
Lizette. Do Chris.
Other than that, like,
how long is that a long term?
I don't know if I can do it.
Yeah, do it.
Hello? Yeah, do it. Wait, say my name's Chris.
My name's Chris.
My name's Chris.
Yeah.
No, I'll be Chris.
I play bangers only.
No, I'll be Chris. I'll be Chris. I'll be Chris. Bottomless.
Day
Did I hear bottomless?
Did I hear bottomless?
You know the vibe.
Bangers only.
Factual.
So we couldn't get an Uber, so we're taking a tuk-tuk.
Hello.
This is so fun. Yes.
Celebrating.
I love this. We just had a nice little climb.
Arjun is having a great time.
Everyone is getting nourished. This is so sad. Everyone just needs their food. Yeah, sorry. Okay, we had lunch. We're going to this castle again, another one, and it closes in 40 minutes, and we're 11 minutes away. We'll see.
Say that I want you, you know that I want you.
What did you think? Okay. Okay. All right.
It was beautiful. That's what I thought. Absolutely stunning. 100% worth 10 euros.
I already gave you my thoughts.
That is a
It's
lie.
about
Nope,
the journey,
I
not
only
the
spit facts,
destination.
Chris.
No.
Only facts.
That was a lie.
We had a wonderful journey. The destination was pretty cool.
I just wanted there to be water.
It would have been worth
You didn't see
for
the
5
waterfall?
euros.
We did, but I wanted to see water in the well.
You didn't think this whole park? I thought the park was
The whole
fantastic.
park was great. I want to.
I would pay 7.
I'm manifesting it now. I will be back in Sintra on a date here, in love, happily here, one day.
I just hear your name like over there.
I missed you guys when I was at my apartment.
You got this free. Hello.
Honestly, like
Time out.
this dish is like
Look what they have in McDonald's.
it's so progressive.
This is so wholesome. Chris did the table because it's International Women's Day. Yay! If the orange juice looks like this, why does my drink look like this? No. Estimate. Hey, thank you, Chris, for our breakfast.
Chris. International Women's Day.
I don't even know which one's mine, but cheers. Vlog. We are on the tram 28, and we are going to see Lisbon, Lisboa. Arjun, there you go. This is a great view of this truck. Prime experience.
Lost in a daze, I caught you sudden.
Hello friends, we are in the LX factory. We're looking for some shopping because Ariel said there was shopping, but it looks like a lot of restaurants. Also, I would like to say Ari went in off this. He does not have data on his phone, so he can't actually tell us where anything is.
Ari
I'm
is
disconnected.
rolling and a little desperate to be with everyone.
I
Damn.
cannot be lost.
He is.
I'm starving. We're not eating.
Arjun picked up this little fun
Little
game.
number. Jewelry.
Now we're going into this. Gonna get mom and pop some sardines. We're doing lunch. I have the same thing as Anastasia, so it's fine. How is it?
Yummy.
Sunset with a view.
Here with 10 minutes to enjoy.
Yeah. Sunny broth.
Ever had. Really. Ever. It's so tender. It's so delicious. Really.
This looks so good.
My crew will have
Wonderful.
To Lisbon.
To Lisbon. Thank you, God.
Walking over there. I don't even remember.
We get above the tree.
We're in. Suggies are still a thing. They're still in the strat. We're out here at this lake. Do it.
Oh!
Nice.
simple. It's simple.
We made it. This is Ari's pick in the group aux. It's not the moment.
Trying to seduce me.
From the back seat.
Okay, do we want to get to lesson number 2, which is switching from 1 to the second?
We out here. This is amazing. The bros.
Wait, the bros.